Happy winter season, all of you, my dear beautiful video viewers. Welcome back to my another English speaking video. I'm thinking you are passing very fantastic time with your family member. At the same time, you are learning English in a great way, as well as I am safe and sound by the grace of Almighty Allah. Right now I'm standing in my potato field because I have been working in my field for 3 hours. That's why at present I'm standing here. It doesn't matter because every day I have to work in my field side by side. Every day I am to practice my English in my own field. It is my daily duty for practice my English side by side. Today in this video I want to share with you several matter. Side by side, you know that I have cultivated different kinds of potato in my own field. For that, at present I need 10,000 taka. Why I need 10,000 taka? Because I will give some fungicide medicine in my potato field, and at the same time I will give some mancozeb medicine. For that I need 10,000 taka, and at present I don't have enough money for buy different kinds of mancozeb. I don't have enough money for buy some vitamin. That's why at present I'm feeling so bad. Side by side, today I want to share with you, if you have enough money, everyone will respect you, and if you don't have enough money, no one will respect you. For that, at present I'm understanding money is very important for our daily life. For that I'm thinking, at present I will hard work in my field. At the same time I will earn lot of money to lead my family, to lead my potato field. For that, at present I am alone hard working in my field. At the same time I am thinking I will practice my English in front of my camera. You know that I am English learner. For that, what is happening with me, what is drawing at present, what are you drawing in your field? You can describe anything in English to improve yourself. For that I have taken this way to practice my English, to improve my speaking skill. Side by side, at present I'm standing in my field and I'm hard working, and the sun is above my head. It has after long days I have seen this sunshine. For that I'm feeling so good for this sunshine. Side by side, you know that this is winter season. For that it has no sunshine for long days. That's why yesterday I felt so bad for this sunshine. Now I'm feeling so good. If you want, you can practice English every single day. You can make English video in your own field. At the same time you can hard work in your field. It doesn't matter where you are living. If you stay in your city or if you stay in your village, if you want to learn English, you can do the same thing to improve yourself. For that, from today you can start your English journey. You can you can practice your English in this 2026. It is high time to learn English. It is high time for practice your English. It is high time to improve yourself. So see you next video. Stay safe, stay your home. Best luck for everyone.